Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Dude, it's a big one. Well, I don't know if it's big. Yeah, it feels big. Might be a catfish. Oh. Yeah, it's running. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. He's pulling drag, he's pulling drag. I don't want him to come off. Hold up. There we go. Nice. Woo! That's the biggest one we pulled out here so far, huh? Look at that. Jeez. There you go. Thank you. Yeah. Anybody want a carp? No? It's just fun, that's all. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, actually, hold on, give me 1 second. Let me get a picture of it first. Yeah, it's a really good size actually. Hold up for the camera real quick. Alright. Nope, it's all yours. Yep, just make sure that it's actually better if you hold them down here so that you have better grip because they're really slimy. Super slimy. There you go. You got it. That's my hand real quick. There you go. Nice. Well, it pulled drag a little bit, so we'll see. Oh yeah, there it is. Did it come off? Nope. Yeah. Yeah. Is it dead? Is it running? I think it's off. Probably small. Oh yeah, it is. Come on. Oh no! Oh, it is a carp. What kind of carp is this? Is it the same thing? Yeah, pull drag though. Oh, where'd he go? I'm throwing this one back too. It's happening, it's working. It's fighting. Yep. Small though. I think so. He tied up, I think. Oh no, he snagged himself. Right at the edge of his gill. I mean his gill area. Ouch. I just hooked myself. Yeah. Not throwing back. I think I'm still on it. Hopefully. I think it's a small one though. Yeah, it's a small one. Yeah, that's good. He's gonna sit there for a bit though. He's gonna sit there though. Oh, came off. Damn it. Dude, broke everything. Yep. That was my last carp rig. Dude, my bail's been open this whole time. No wonder. The fish is probably way out there now, dude. Probably. Oh yeah, dude. Oh shoot. Yeah. Dude, my bail's been open this whole time. Oh god. Here, you want to reel it? All right, so you got to reel constantly and it's kind of slow, okay? And keep the pressure upwards. Put your hand up here. There you go, up a little bit. There you go. Reel it. Get it up. Keep going a little bit. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, stop right there. All right, up a little bit. There we go. Got him. Nice. There you go. He's really slimy though. There you go. Yep, you can release it. You can keep it whatever you want. Oh, maybe not. Come on. Oh no! I got stuck. Okay, yeah, there's nothing on there. Ripped my setup. It came out. Yes. Quick. Watch, there's a fish on it. Oh no. It's okay, I got it, son. I got it. Okay, we are on a giant carp right now.
Yes.
Yep. And we're trying to land him. He is huge. I need to walk him somewhere I can land him though.
Yeah,
he's swimming away though. There's kind of nowhere for him to get stuck, so that's good. I'm on 8-pound line though, and an 8-pound leader, so I'm pretty scared. Oh no, actually, the leader's pretty strong, but my main line is 8 pounds.
Do it, reel.
Your best bet is to come around this way
I
right
thought
here.
the
Yeah.
fisherman.
Okay, Derek.
I think that's the best
Yep.
bet right there.
Thank you. Come over here. Oh, dude, is he off?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I think he's tired though. Oh no, he's still on there. He's on there for sure. Oh my goodness.
That's a massive one.
Oh, he's tired though. He's coming in. Yep. I'm just going slow and steady. Slow and steady. Get him through all this gunk. He will come through. I believe it. Oop. If he's gonna fight though, he gotta run. Oh, we didn't bring your net. I'm sorry. He's running. He's right here somewhere. It's all right. Let him chump, or let him cut through this grass for us. It's all right. We're coming slow and steady. I believe in this line. Look at this. Look at this. Look at what's going on. Slow and steady. He's, no, it's not. He's still on there. Yep. Yep. He's got a second wind. Is he gonna go? Yep, he's going a little bit. He's trying to. He's trying to. Yep. He is cutting through all the stuff for me though.
Yeah. He's tired.
Yep, I'm tired too. Slow and steady through all this nasty stuff. Come on. Slow and steady.
What happens if you go fast?
If you go fast, you're gonna break your line. You gotta go slow and steady so that it helps to pull all the stuff through. Look, you can see the gunk that he's pulling in with him, dude. Yo, we're about to see him right now. He's gonna clear. Oh my goodness. Yo, he's gonna run. He's gonna run again. He's gonna run. It's okay if he runs.
Gotta get his head, dude. Gotta get his head in here.
That's not gonna work.
Gotta get his head and scoop him out.
I'm just gonna try to pick him up.
Dude, that's a big dude.
That is a monster, dude. It's okay if he runs. I have my drag. I believe in my drag.
Alright.
I can't even believe that.
Oh, dang.
I believe in my drag.
That's
Yeah, I
a
get
little
some video.
right there.
That's a big boy.
Oh, watch out, Derek.
Careful, Derek. Careful.
Okay, we gotta
Derek.
get all of this off first.
Hold on.
Yeah, hold on to that, please. Okay, Get all this seaweed off. Okay, if he runs, just let him run.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Get down there. Get down there and help. He's gonna run.
It's okay. Just let him run if he wants to run. Come on, come back here. Come back here. Come back here. He's really trying. Oh, he still has strength. He still has strength. No, watch out, Derek. We gotta play with him so he runs out of energy. But if he runs, we gotta let him run. See? Yep, he took all the weeds off for us though.
Yep.
I think he's wrapping himself up in the line too, which is kind of good.
Yeah. Oh.
No, he's not.
Oh no, he's not. He still has a lot of energy. Dude. Careful, Derek.
Yeah, but he's not pulling the drag as much as I thought he would though.
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
Look,
Look, that's a massive one. That thing's a pond monster. It's the biggest pond monster.
Oh, kidding
I think he scared one of the bluegill. I think he scared it.
He's still, yep, he has a second. I loosened up my drag a little bit because I don't want him to rip.
I think that carp scared all the bluegills that were here. I think he scared them all away. Because it was coming
Just
through.
a little bit more. Dude, he's pulling. Yep, he's going still. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Alright, don't lose this one. You
I
gotta get him out of the water, dude. Just get a photo with him.
I know.
Careful, Derek.
At this point, I just want to get a photo of him on my line still.
I want to take a photo of me carrying him.
Yeah, this guy's got to be at least like what, 10 pounds?
Like 10 a bass?
Did you bring a scale?
I did bring the scale, yes.
Alright.
Come on. No jerking motions, just slow and steady so he doesn't rip.
So that one doesn't rip.
So his mouth doesn't rip.
Yeah, you might spit out the hook.
Yeah.
Or the line might break. So we don't want to break the line.
I think the good news is the hook is in there. It's just I don't want to
That's
break
not
his
a
lip.
carp.
Oh. Oh. He's still going. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go.
These are like bony fish. These are what the boniest fish is.
The bony fish is.
They're like bony fish.
Come on.
They're like bony fish.
Don't do this.
Come on, man.
My drag is pretty loose. Yeah, Derek, it's too big for this for the net. Thanks for trying though. Oh, he's going. He's going. Let him go for a little bit. Okay, he's good. He's tired. Oh man. Okay. I understand why people don't like game fish so much. The fight is fun, but if it lasts more than 5 minutes.
Yeah, especially carp, dude. Especially get like this big ones, but this is a good size.
All right. Okay, he's tired. He's tired.
Careful, Derek.
Watch out, Derek. Move. We need you to move.
You might just get him spooked and run on.
Okay, my line is at the edge.
Oh,
There he is.
oh, dang.
Okay.
Oh, careful, Derek, careful.
Watch out, Derek. Hold up.
Got him. It's not a grass
Yeah.
carp.
Just let him run.
That's the biggest one.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah. You let him run or?
Yeah, let him run.
Yeah.
He's not fully done yet. Woo! PB. PB of my life. Something else just hopped over there. Right? Okay, now we know from now on only come out here at 4 o'clock. For carp. Ooh, the drag system here is working well though. It's very fine-tunable.
Is that on your rugby bot or
No, this is for the Regal, the one that I didn't think I was going to buy. And then I ended up last minute getting it. A little bit more tight. Too tight. Off a little bit. Where'd he go? It's right there still. Oh, this is the worst part when he was like right here the whole time. We didn't bring a net. You know, I don't even want to land him anymore, dude. I just seeing him this close. Man. I don't even know how we're gonna weigh him. I think we could just grab him like this. He's pretty much done. Watch out, Derek. Ooh, he's slimy. Here he is. Hold up. Woo! Woo! Dude, that is huge. Oh, watch out, dude. Watch out. Watch out. Wow. Watch out, Derek. Let me see. Look at this. Look at my hand. Where's... Look at... Oh, watch out his eye. Dude. Okay. Okay, I think we can put them down. Watch out, Derek. Watch out, Derek. Okay, watch out, Derek. 11 pounds, 14 ounces. Woo! Alright, get a picture. 11 pounds, 14 ounces. Bye-bye. Thanks for playing. Wow. Oh, my hand's done. Dude. Oh man, someone. Wow.